Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody has been doing well. Hope that your holiday season is going well and that you had a wonderful Thanksgiving, eating lots of food and spending time with your loved ones, family and friends. I know I ate a lot of food, way too much, but I'm still digging at the leftovers. Anyway, so Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales were crazy. There's so many good deals and I did pick up a little bit here and there online. They're still coming in, but the one that I'm most excited about came today, and it is the iPhone 11. This is the Pro Max, I believe, the biggest size that you can get, and I was very excited to pick this up. I don't know why I waited so long. I thought that if I was gonna wait till Black Friday, there was gonna be good deals, but I paid full price for it. There was no deals on Apple.com or online for the new iPhones. They did have gift cards for the iPhone XR, and I believe for the iPhone, is it 10 or 8? Something like that. They did have gift cards for those, but this one is the iPhone 11 and it was not on sale, so I just decided to pick it up anyway. I got it in the gold color. Can we give it a little bit of camera time right here? It is so beautiful. I have not opened it yet, of course. I still have the original packaging on there, so I thought I was gonna unbox this with you. It's a little bit late. I decided, like I said, to get it a little bit later than everybody else. Dun, 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 dun. So I tore off the little plastic there. I'm so excited, guys. Wow. So I don't know if all of the iPhone box will look different depending on what color of the iPhones that you got. I got the gold one, of course, like this one here, and this is what it looks like on the front box. Wow! This is what it looks like on the inside. My camera is still working itself out. I'm not sure it's a new camera and I can't really seem to get it to focus like the way I want it to be. So hopefully it's gonna focus. But this is what the gold looks like. Oh, so beautiful. All right, so of course that is the front right there, and then it looks like this on the side. Oh, it's just so pretty. My goodness, I love this color. This color is so pretty. So I have my old phone here actually. I have the white color, but now I got it in the gold. Really liking the gold. So inside of the box there is the earphones, which is this one right here, and it has the connector where you can connect to the phone, and then it has the charging. Okay, so enough of that. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of the main portion of this video, which is, as you can tell from the title, the review of the Veja sneakers. These are them right here. They've been waiting patiently over there for us. These are what they look like. Oh my gosh, I think they're just so adorable. Okay, let's give it some camera time here. This is the Beauty. And I just got it in the kind of like a navy color tone with white and then the red color in the back right here. So for those who may not know much about the brand Veja, they are a fashion house that makes mainly sneakers like this one, and they make all of their sneakers out of recyclable plastic, sustainable fashion. Definitely is something I'm very into, and it's great for the environment. So I'm so glad that I found a company that makes really, really cute shoes, very fashionable, but also can do good for the environment at the same time. So definitely stand behind their mission. And to go more into this shoe, it's basically just a classic silhouette like you see earlier. I got it in this colorway because I already have the Grand Court Adidas, which has the black stripes and the white. The black and white theme, I didn't think that would be necessary for me to get another pair in the black and white colorway, which I think would work out well for me because that's all mainly what I wear. But I kind of like this one as well. I love that it has this little red detail here and then the navy color right there. And then it's just a classic white color. For the short period that I've owned these and worn them, I feel like they are fairly comfortable. They are not my super most comfortable shoes. I do work very long shifts, greater than 12 hours, and I do find that my Adidas with the Bose system technology in it works for me very well. They do provide the comfort that I need for those long shifts. However, I do feel that these are fairly comfortable for what they are meant to do. They're meant to be more fashionable wear. They're meant to be worn when you go shopping for a couple hours, and meant to be worn more of a fashion statement instead of just like a workable shoe. So I do feel that they are comfortable for that, and I do think that they're a very classic and great looking shoe. I do think a little bit of a tricky part is that the sizing, they don't have half sizes. So one thing that did bother me, and I did have to kind of break it in, is the tongue right here, and the tongue right here is not padded. So let me see if I can unlace it and show you. So the tongue right here, as you can see, is just one piece of thin leather, like so. See it? So it's like raw leather on the inside, and it's quite thin, and it goes up quite high, like all the way up here where your feet would be here, and it kind of hits your ankle, the top of your feet a little bit near the ankle area, like so, like this. And that right there, you have to get used to because it is a little bit uncomfortable. And if you're walking for 3+ hours, it does start to rub, and it does get a little bit annoying and kind of painful. So that's something that I think is a negative for this shoe. I wish that it was a little bit padded, or the construction is a little bit more, I don't know, maybe the tongue situation here needs to be shorter, or maybe more padding needs to be added onto the shoe for more comfort. Don't know if that was designed deliberately to be like that, but that's one thing that I found is a negative of this shoe, is the tongue can be more comfortable. It's not. So the material of this is 100% leather upper for this V-10 shoe right here. They have other materials, the vegan ones and the cotton ones, but I chose for the leather because I feel like they're more durable. And then I like this colorway, and this colorway only came in leather. And then of course the recyclable plastic is down here in the rubber of the sole. That's made out of recyclable plastic. And then the insole, I feel, like I said, fairly comfortable. Not the most comfortable, but it does what it can for what it's designed to do. Okay, so let's go a little bit into pricing. These cost around $150, and you can definitely find them on Neiman Marcus or Saks Fifth. I didn't know, but they have a wider selection of the Veja brand on there than Neiman Marcus did. And on those two sites, they're bigger sites, so sometimes during the holidays or special promotions, they have 10%, 15%, 20% off that you can definitely go on there and see if you can get them for a more discounted price. If you are into them, if you want to check them out, try them out, of course you can go to the department store and try them on as well. And then also I think Net-a-Porter also have them, and sometimes they go for like 30-40% less than the original price. So check them out. I'll link several options down in the description bar for you if you're interested in them. So basically that is everything for these shoes right here. I think they're so classic. They go with so many different outfits, dresses, they go with suits, they go with jeans, they go with jumpsuits, they go with shorts, they go with practically everything in my wardrobe. So I really like them. I think that is everything I wanted to talk to you about in this video. If you have any questions for me at all, please link it down in the comment box down below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so we can see each other in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you